arm workout.
Let's get this. Now, I'm going to have to behave when I do this sleeve. You ready? Sleeves. Here we go. So remember, I already made my little marks. Let's unpin it.
Alright, so we gotta easy stitch the sleeve.
Yes. But the first thing I'm going to do, and there's a bunch of you that are going to have this problem. We've got double-sided fabric. No interfacing goes on here. So I have to mark which one's the right one and which one's the left one by doing this. And this gives me a classic example of how to do it. Open it out like this. Okay? Now they're opposite. 2 double notches are in, the 2 single notches are out. I'm going to put a pin. I am now marking the correct side. This is the right side now. This is the wrong side. It makes it so I don't end up with 2 right sleeves. Okay, so they want me to stitch the top. That's turning the machine to the longest stitch length. No knot. And we've done this before. Remember on our swatches. There's something weird going on here. Oh. It's that. Okay. We're ready. So, it tells me to ease between notches. Is that what it said? What did it say? Ease between notches?
Yeah.
Upper edges between notches.
Between notches. Okay. So, I'm going to stitch like I did the stay stitching. Not quite 5/8. It's just slightly less than 5/8. So there's mine. Cut a long tail. See? Now I'm going to do it again between that stitching and the edge of the sleeve. Okay. All right, so here's what I'll do. I will make one sleeve, and then we'll stop video, and then I'll just make the other one. But that way you'll have it all on video, but that'll make it go faster, okay? So now I'm going to turn it to the normal stitch length. What does it tell me to do next?
Stitch sleeve C.
Okay, so remember my pin is on the right side, right? So we sew with right sides together. Now I want you to pay attention to this. If I show you this seam, notice, we talked about it before, it's zigzagged. Okay, do you see that? I'm holding it against the green now so you can see it's zigzagged. So because of that, I need to sew it zigzagged. I'm going to sew 5/8. All right, get it lined up. If you see this, the V starts right here, so that's where I'm going to put the needle down. Put the needle down and turn this way. See, I had a tick mark here. That's because there was a fold line there. I'm going to go to the tick mark. Put the needle down. Turn again. This is not a straight seam. Don't sew it straight if you're doing this sleeve.
Okay, so when you mean zigzag, you mean...
It's
you
like
don't do a
this.
zigzag.
No. All right. Pull it out. Now, I'm going to cut that tick mark to the sleeve. I'm going to cut this V to the sleeve, and I'm going to cut, not to the sleeve, to the stitching. And I'm going to cut that V to the sleeve, to the stitching. God, what is that? Okay, so do you see where I've made these slashes? Right where I had to change direction each time. Okay? So what do I do now? Serge. I just did a seam. So I just serge these all like they're still connected. Uh-oh. There. Okay, well, I'm sorry, did somebody tell me what I'm supposed to do next? Okay, so first I need to press it, because they don't tell you to press. I need a sleeve board, Catherine, if you don't mind. I don't know why I keep calling you, but if you don't mind. It looks like a little teeny ironing board. I can do this part while she's getting it. Thank you. You've never used this? This is your sleeve board. See what it does?
It's also fantastic for baby.
Yeah. If you don't have one at home, you need to get one. So it allows me oh yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
It allows me to press this without putting creases on the sides. Okay, that will never come out. Okay, so now that I have this, I need to serge this hem. Make sure that that seam stays open. Yeah, and we're telling you that because it's happened. I've learned what to say the hard way. All right, so